Well, mabilisan lang, no, para kay Mr. Amoroto sa isang iglap. Ubos ang mga bola. At sa isang iglap, ayan na nga, no, Mr. Amoroto has already reached the hill. Well, it seems like Mr. Amoroto in this case would have to play the combination 5 to the 10. And given that, the 10 ball would have to be respotted. Wala po tayong early finish on a combination on the 10 ball. Kakailanganin dyan. Last ball, 10 ball talaga, no? So, anyway, official respots the 10 ball at ito, Mr. Amoroto. He's gonna play 3 rails for shape on the 6. Teka lang. Perfect. Nice angle as well. Perfect na perfect for the sharpshooter. Ayan, and the handshake has been offered